Hello and welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads.
And I'm Zoe.
And we're near Reading today in our motorhome Herman at a Britstop. But right now we're going for a walk because there are some walks in the area.
Yes.
So stick around, stay tuned because we're going to give a little bit of a review of it. As you may be aware, you're not supposed to give out the name or the location of the Britstops. To find that out, you need a code and the Britstop annual. So the code you'll find for this video, for this place that we're stopping at, you'll find it in the thumbnail and the title and the video description. The pub that we're at is quite near a small town. And we have a Tesco's within, I don't know, 2-3 minute walk. So
Yes.
It's ideal for picking up any shopping without driving your motorhome there. So there's plenty of room in the car park, quite a large car park. And how many spaces are there? 3?
I think there's 3, yes.
Yeah, for motorhomes and camper vans, but plenty for other cars.
Yeah.
Petrol station isn't far away either.
But I think it's only got facilities, well, dog walking and bins. It hasn't got anything else, so you can't fill up with water and you can't empty your waste.
Okay,
So it's quite basic.
but phone ahead. Always phone ahead.
Always phone ahead.
Always
yes.
phone ahead. So I think that's it for the moment. Let us take a look inside when we have our meal. Well, we are in the pub and we have now ordered. You've got to do it on your phone, you know, because of these apps and stuff for COVID now. But so you've got to do it on your phone. However,
We couldn't do it on the phone.
we couldn't do it on the phone.
So we had to go up.
Yeah, so we went up there and ordered it. Yeah, we got our wine. Have you just done that? But anyway, let's discuss the menu.
Oh, yes.
It's kind of a traditional menu: fish and chips, pies,
Curries.
and
Mac and
if you get
cheese.
2 meals, you get it for $12.90,
$12.50, yeah.
12 something like that. Yeah.
Quite
So that's what we're
cheap.
doing. But that's only Monday to Saturday.
Yeah, so most of the week.
Yeah, quite a large pub. They've got a beer garden, plenty of ales. They have a few guest ales as well.
Relaxed atmosphere, isn't it?
Cheers. Now, don't drink too much of that because we know what you're like with your red wine.
What do you mean?
Or you guzzle it down and you want another glass before I finish mine.
That's not always the case.
That's not true at all, is it? It's me that guzzles it. Looking forward to my pie, although it's got one of those silly tops on
I
it.
know, I'm surprised you went for that.
Well,
because,
I couldn't decide.
I know, and I was looking forward to the beef and ale, and they
Yes.
haven't got it. And then I thought, well, I'll have the curry, they haven't got it. Everything I was going for, they haven't got.
I did fancy one of the other curries, but then I thought, if you want a curry, you go to an Indian, right?
Yeah, it's not quite the same, is it?
No, it's not going to be.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 of the chicken pies, put that one over there.
Great,
Oh,
thank
got
you.
there. Lovely. And there we are, with sauces in there. Have we got everything we need? Can I get you anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Thank
Lovely.
you.
If you do need anything else, just give me a little shout.
Will
Great,
do,
thank you. A little shout. Hello. Wow, that looks
Different.
different. I'll show you. So there you go. We ordered the same thing. Zoe's started already.
I'm hungry.
She is hungry. Well, so am
You
I.
were hungry.
Yeah. So we got half a garden, a pot of gravy. We got the mash. You got option there is mash or chips. Now this is chicken and mushroom, wasn't it? Pie.
I think so.
Oh, wait a minute. This is supposed to be puff pastry.
Oh,
So it's not. It's a nice little parcel. Oh, lovely.
You're panicking.
So what did you think of that? Is it good?
The
The broccoli's
broccoli-
never cooked.
No.
No,
Rock hard.
rock hard. So we're going to tuck into these and we'll let you know later. So, clean plates. What did you think of that? Well, I enjoyed it. I mean, you ate it.
Well, I was
but
hungry.
What's the ums for? Do you not like that?
Well, I think it could have had better vegetables with it because it had uncooked broccoli. You know, if it had peas or carrots or some other vegetable, because broccoli's not good, is it, in a restaurant normally? You've got to be very, very good chef.
Well, like us, we do broccoli quite well, don't we?
No, but you know.
So you just didn't like the broccoli.
The pie was very nice because you were pleasantly surprised. It didn't have that sort of
I don't like puff pastry.
Puff pastry, but it had short crust pastry. The chicken was a little bit tiny, not the great big chunks of chicken.
But all in all, it was a good pub meal.
Yeah.
I mean, this wasn't the best.
No.
Right? But
we ate it.
So what we need to do now is find out what it's like to sleep here.
I think it's going to be the same as any place we sleep, isn't it? Oh, we see noise-wise.
Yes, yes. So we'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning, everybody. We've had a pretty reasonable night, haven't we? But it was very quiet.
Well, I got bitten, didn't I, when we went on our walk? So I was in a bit of...
Oh, you were itchy, were you?
Yeah.
Look, you could probably... She got bitten there.
Oh,
I got bitten there.
I know. So I've got the cream out. Get the vitamin
Can we discuss the Britstop rather than your bites?
I'll hide it.
Yes, so we found the staff very helpful, very friendly.
Yes.
Even the locals, they were very friendly. Had a good old chinwag with them, didn't we? At night, seems reasonably quiet.
To say there's a main road just over there.
Yeah.
You're kind of back from the car park.
Yeah, some distance from the... Well, we're where we are, we're some distance. So we had a peaceful night. Loads of space in the car park. I think you might have mentioned that already.
Yeah.
And we've just got breakfast. A couple of almond croissants from a short walk to Tesco's.
We meant to mention the supermarket? There are other supermarkets available.
Not round here, they're not.
So it's only like 5-minute walk, isn't it? So that's
barely that, really.
Yeah, very convenient.
Very convenient for other things as well, if you don't want to fill the tank up. So, I guess it's time to give it a marking.
Well, we've cogitated. And,
yes, we thought about this.
We don't think it's...
long and hard for about 2 minutes.
Yes.
It's very difficult to judge a place. I mean, what are you here for? You're here to have an overnight stay.
Yes, you're not here for weeks.
I don't think the food wasn't spectacular.
No.
We were hungry, and it hit.
We ate it all.
And I even had a dessert afterwards, which was very yummy. A pina colada sundae, which was very nice.
You didn't need that.
I didn't need that, but I felt anyway. So the Britstop itself, you were just here to. Stop off and move on, right?
Yeah.
So,
Giving it.
we're going to give it 3 Hermans.
Yeah, because we didn't think it was worth a 4 and we didn't want to do a 2.
No, I don't think it's worth a 2.
No. Middle of the road.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. And it's adequate for everything you need. Might be a bit far away from the motorway. But I guess most of them are, right? If you're after one that's along the
just off the motorway to get back on.
Yeah. So, but there you go. So hopefully we can do more of these Britstop reviews without telling you exactly where we are. It's kind of weird, trust me.
Yes, and knowing you'll blurt it out.
So if you want to see more, let us know by giving us a thumbs up or comment, and we will do more of them. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. Right, I'm going to have my almond thing now. Looking very good.
Are you going to rate these?
Well, they're not going to be as good as French. They're supposed to be fresh, but they're not going to be as good. If I can get into the box.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.